Hello, Padraig here at McNally Motors. Today we'll take a look around our 161 Citroen Berlingo 1.6 LX HDI short wheelbase van. This van has a low annual road tax, just €333, and is taxed up until October this year. It's got a full service history, and the van will be sold with a full 12 months DOE. Now we'll take a look at some of the features the van has to offer. It's got the side sliding doors for easier access to the back, with the rubber protective boot liner. It has a split rear doors. With Towbar fitted also. It's got a grey cloth interior with 3 seats across the front. It has electric windows and mirrors. It's got the cruise control with the built-in speed limiter also. Radio, built-in CD player. It's got the Parrot Bluetooth kit. It's a 5-speed manual diesel, and there's just over 88,000 kilometres on the clock. At McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options for this van, as little as €40 per week. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621, or you can visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie to view this van and book a test drive. Thanks very much.